parrot no dey talk again. The parrot don't hear too many things.
Don't hear too many things.
I'm serious. I think maybe our compatibility is just sexual attention.
For love.
For love.
It is time for this week's Black Envelope Game.
Immunity for one housemate. You can pick anyone. Alex.
Biggie's no immunity now, Biggie.
You have won a riddle.
Where is Sissy now?
Leave Sissy. She's fighting something, I don't know.
Because she keeps saying, I don't care. Why? So you just win head of house to collect immunity.
This is Big Brother.
Biggie, I beg now.
I see anything. Immunity now, your mate. Your mate.
If I don't go there this week, go plenty, sha.
No, it's bad.
Never in your life.
Never in your life you speak to me like that.
Now you
Take out with your bad attitude. Take out with your bad attitude. I bet I'm come out for you, Jerry. I'm talking to Alex. What is that? Come and speak to me this morning. Of course, you're a coward. You cannot speak. Behind me like you're talking. Shut up! Shut up! You are a bloody coward! Is it not the people that think Toxicity will win this show this season? It's scratching them to be angry, to be mad, to fight the whole universe. But I assure everyone in this house, that is not going to work this season.
I knew this was for a reason.